Up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do you see Snapchat messages without opening them. So head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account of Snapchat and head over to your DM section. And once you're there, you will find a notification at any conversation if you have not read their message yet. So what you need to do, if you don't want to make them know that you have already seen the message, just keep your finger on a big emoji and then swipe to the right slowly, and here you can view their message. And once you view their message, just swipe to the left again. And now as you can see, the bold written new snap or new chat written is not gone, it's there yet. So it means they don't know they have seen their message, but actually you have seen them. So yeah, this is how you can see Snapchat messages without opening them. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.